Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be reviewing the JETech tempered glass privacy screen protector for iPhone XS and iPhone X. Coming up. So in the box we get the stuff you need to get it set up, a lifetime warranty card. You should keep this in case your screen protector breaks. You get an installation manual, and you get the screen protector. As you can see, it goes black when you rotate the screen to a 90-degree angle. This is used for privacy reasons, so people can't see your screen. So the first thing you need to do is give your phone a thorough clean, because you don't want all the dust under your screen protector. So just give it a thorough wipe. I like to keep my phone case on because it helps guide the screen protector when I put it on. So once you've given it a wipe, use the microfiber cloth and wipe all that excess water off. Now get the dust remover and now remove all the dust that be on your screen. Now you've removed all the dust, get your screen protector, peel the back film off, and now align it on your phone. As you can see, all of the bubbles are coming off, and just get the cloth and just press down to remove all excess air underneath the screen. As you can see, it's all gone. Now you can turn your phone on and you can see if the screen protector lines up with your screen nicely. As you can see now, when I tilt my phone screen left or right to a different angle, you can see the screen gets dimmer, but the screen is actually on full brightness. And that can be used for privacy reasons, to stop people trying to spy on what you're doing. That's the install complete. My thoughts. I really like this product because it's really easy to install. Unlike the Apple one you can get in the Apple store, that costs about £30. This only cost me £5.99 including shipping for 2 screen protectors. I also like how rigid it is and how it can withstand so much impact and scratch resistance. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!